Hey YouTubers, this your girl Cookie. I am back with another tutorial. So if you digging my tropical look, subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Alright, I am filling in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Now I'm going to take my MAC concealer in NC45 and I am also using NC42. Right now you see me cleaning up my brows. I'm using the NC45 underneath my brow. Now I'm blending those two together. Make sure they meet up. Next, I'm taking my Warrior palette, the Warrior 3 palette by Juvias Place. I'm taking that blue shade, pretty bright blue color. Putting that at the end. I'm using my M433 brush. Next, I'm taking my next Juvias Place palette. I will add all items in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Now, please know you do not have to put that color all over the lid like I did, but that's just what I did. You don't have to do it that way, but remember, I am cutting the crease, so you won't be able to see it no way. So you really don't have to do that. Do as you please. Also, if you are going to recreate this look, please make sure to tag me in your video or pictures. So right now, I am blending out those edges. I'm using a lime color to blend out those edges. You want to make sure you get those edges real nice and soft. You don't want them harsh. Blend, 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 blend. All right, double take. Is it good? Are we right? Yeah, we right? Oh, okay. Okay. Just a little bit more. So now we are going to do the same thing to the other side of our eye. I'm just cleaning it up with the MAC concealer. Adding that blue shade. Then after that blue, I'm going to grab that beautiful bright green color. And then after that, I'm going for that lime color. Just blending those shades together. And as I said before, you don't have to cover up the whole lid. I cut my crease. I used the P. Louise base. I'm going in the corner with that same blue shade right there. Just patting in that blue. Then I'm going in with the green. Blending those colors together. Same thing on the other side. After you cut your crease, you're going to go back in with that blue and with that green. I'm using my M506 brush to add that color on there. So at this point, I couldn't decide which color eyeliner to use. I was so stuck between the green and the blue. But ultimately, I decided to go with the blue. But I just couldn't decide at first. I was indecisive. Like, I just didn't know. But I got it together. I got it together, honey. Yes, to this blue eyeliner, honey. Yes. By the way, this is a NYX. I believe it's called Vivid Colors. I'm going to double check and then I'm going to add it in the description. Now you see me adding my glitter onto my eyes. So now I am moisturizing and priming my face. So I am finally done with the foundation, the highlight, the contour. So now I am about to add the bottom eyeliner. I'm using the same colors that's at the top to the bottom, the blue, the green, and the lime color. And now it's time for my favorite part, which is lashes. I'm putting my glue on there, letting it sit on there for like 15 seconds, and then pop. Put it on your eyelid. Okay, y'all, so I got too excited. So this is my second time making lasagna. And my niecey poo, she do makeup too. Her name is Ebony. Check her out too. She's about to try my lasagna. I only made it twice. So then I got too excited. So yeah, get it. Come on, try it. And it was good, yes. I was too happy. This is the final look. I am so happy that everything came out just right. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave your comment, and tune in with me later. Bye.